ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল শিক্ষানিবিড়। আমি চলে এসেছি আজকের ইইজি অর্থাৎ ইংলিশ অনার্স পেপার প্রথম পত্র বা ফার্স্ট পেপারের 11 তারিখ পাবলিশ হওয়া কোশ্চেন ব্যাংকের অ্যান্সারগুলো নিয়ে। 1 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, হুইচ গ্রুপ অফ পিপল ওয়াজ দ্য ফার্স্ট টু অ্যারাইভ ফ্রম দ্য কন্টিনেন্ট আফটার দ্য ডিপার্চার অফ দ্য রোমান্স ফ্রম ব্রিটেন? অ্যান্সার, সেল্ট। 2 নম্বর, ইন হুইচ ইয়ার was the Battle of Hastings fought? Answer, 1066. 3. Into how many groups are the surviving remains of Old English literature generally divided? Answer, 4. 4 নম্বর, why is the Battle of Maldon an important literary piece? Answer, it gives the story of defeat the English suffered at the hands of Danes. 5. Of how many apostles' life stories does the Fates of the Apostles narrate? Answer, 12. 6. Which is a text of the matter of England within the corpus of Middle English Romance? Answer, Kinghorn. 7. The 4pp is an interlude written by whom? Answer, John Haywood. 8. In the Old English epic whose son is Beowulf? Answer, Ecgtheow. 9. Against which backdrop is Geoffrey Chaucer's Troilus and Chrysalis set? Answer, Trojan War. 10. In the prologue to the Canterbury Tales, Chaucer's parents, three ideal characters on the pilgrimage. Who are they? Answer, Knight, Parson, Plowman. 11. To which cycle does the second Shepherd play belong? Answer, Wakefield cycle. 12. What do you place names ending with suffix like through? Big and Dale mean village, Brook Valley. 13. What did the words bloom mean in Old English? Mass of metal. 14. What does the term Anglo-Norman refer to? Answer, Northman. 15. From which language do the words breakfast and dinner derive? Answer, French. 16. When did the French Old limousine enter the English vocabulary? Answer, 20th century. 17. What does the Latin word propping mean in English? Answer, poppy. 18. In which period the wood custody borrowed into English? Answer, Middle English period. 19. Approximately how many words did Shakespeare's vocabulary consist of according to Otto Jesperson? Answer, 21,000. 20. I have no mind for fasting forth tonight. Answer, whose whose utterance is this? Answer, Shylock in Merchant of Venice. 21. Who had to die for having translated the Bible? Answer, William Tyndale. 22. Who was the first person to translate the entire Bible into English? Answer, John Wycliffe. 23. In which year was the authorized version of the Bible published? Answer, 1611. 24. What does the Greek word phone mean? Answer, sound. 25. Into how many branches can the study of phonetics be divided? Answer, 3. 26. Where is the human physiognomy is the larynx situated? Answer, at the top of the windpipe. 27. of which organ is the blade a part? Answer. Tongue. 28. What kind of plosive is the what tap? Answer. Voiced bilabial plosive. 29. How many cardinal vowels did the English phonetician Daniel Jones devise? Answer. 8 cardinal vowels. 30. One word is a pun as a figure of speech based. Answer. Sound. 31. What was the contribution of Roman Emperor Claudius in early Britain? Answer. He took earnest steps for a systematic domination of the island. 32. The Synox came to Britain from which region? Answer. West Germany. 33. Which event is considered to be turning point in English history in terms of its language and literature? Answer. England's conversion to Christianity. 34. In which year was the Treaty of Windmore signed? Answer. 1878 AD. 35. Who were Normans? Answer. Scandinavians. 36. Which of the dialects became the standard during the Anglo-Saxon period? Answer. West Saxon. 37. What was Christianity's major contribution to English language? Answer. It replaced many of the pagan refunds by Christian ones and toned down the Fire's note. 38. Which statement is correct about the four surviving Anglo Saxon manuscripts? Answer. All are in verse from. 39. What is Herod? Answer. A hall built on the edge of the moorland. It is built by Hrothgar. 40. Beowulf is a primary epic because of which reason? Answer. It first existed in the oral tradition. 41. The character of Hunf found is which writing? Answer. The Battle of Finsbury বা The Fight and Finsbury. 42. In how many categories in medieval romance divided? Answer. 4. 43. Which is a matter of French text within the corpus of Middle English Romance? Answer. Chanson of Roland. 44. What is the theme of the Book of the Duchess? Answer. Death of Blends, the Duchess of Lancaster. 45. What does Langland criticize through Piers the Plowman? Answer. All forms of vice practiced in the church. 46. In which year was the first of Corpus Christi confirmed? Answer. 1311. 47. What was not a distinctive feature of the miracle plays from Chester, York and Wakefield? Answer. Dialogue and action. 48. What do women most desire according to the wife of Beth? Answer. Sovereignty. 49. Surrender is a verb borrowed into English from which source? Answer. French. 50. What does the Johnsons experience the distress conflagration extended is devastating career mean? Answer. The Great Fire spread. 51. Which happy those that pay the willing loan? In this sentence, happy is used as what? Answer. As verb. 52. What was Shakespeare's chief purpose to use language? Answer. To individualize his characters. 53. What does Septuagint mean in the context of English language and literature? Answer. 70 scholars of Alexandria engaged in translating Bible for the sake of Jews who could not no longer read the Hebrew Bible. 54. Why is the word Vulgate significant for English literary history? Answer. Vulgate version was the England's first Bible. It means to make common or public. 55. When did the Protestant movement come to England? Answer. 16th century. 56. What is acoustics phonetics? Answer. It is study of the physical properties of speech sounds such as frequency and amplitude in their transmission from the speaker to the listener. 57. Where is the throat situated in the respiratory system? Answer. Under larynx. 58. How many semivowels are there in English? Answer. 2. 59. There is a pleasure in poetic pains. What figure of speech does this line exemplify? Answer. Epigram. এই পর্যন্ত। আবার আসবো পরের ভিডিও নিয়ে। বন্ধুরা, ভিডিওটি যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই লাইক শেয়ার ও কমেন্ট করতে ভুলবেন না। আর যদি কোনো কোশ্চেনের অ্যান্সার আপনাদের কাছে ভুল বলে মনে হয় তাহলে অবশ্যই কমেন্ট বক্সে জানাবেন এবং সঠিক উত্তরটা জানা থাকলে সেটা দিয়ে দেবেন, যাতে অন্য বন্ধুরা সঠিক উত্তরটা পায়। আর আমার চ্যানেলটিকে অতি অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন এবং পাশের বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করে অল নোটিফিকেশনে ক্লিক করবেন, যাতে সমস্ত তথ্য বা অ্যান্সার দিয়ে আমি আপনাদেরকে করতে পারি। নমস্কার।